Before going to start the next topic, we'll know some basic terms here, students. First, that is clockwise. Clockwise. Clockwise means, as you all know that this is the clock, right? 6, 3 and this is 9. If a hand, this is the hand, if it turns from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 means if it is turning like this means, if it is turning, rotating like this means, then it is called a clockwise direction. Okay, then it is called a clockwise direction. Or if this is the clock 6, 3, 9, if this hand rotate like this, if it rotate like this means, then in this direction means, then it is called a anti-clockwise direction. We call it as anti-clockwise direction. Okay, if it moves from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 means it is clockwise direction. If it start rotating 12, 11, 10, 9 means it is an anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Next we will study some types of angles. Start the types of angles. We'll recall the concept what all we have learned in the previous video. We have learned in the previous video, that is what is a line segment, isn't it? And also we learned the unit to measure the line segment, that is a length. And also we have learned some 3 methods of comparing the line segment. Those are, first one is comparison by observation, second one is comparison by tracing, and the third one is comparison using ruler and a divider. And also we have solved exercise 5.1 on the basis of all these topics. That in previous chapter you learned that to denote the angles and how angle is formed, right? Angle is formed between the 2 rays. It is a corner, means these are the rays, isn't it? We'll call it as AB. Angle is formed between the 2 rays, means this is one ray and this is another ray. We name it as AC. This is what angle. You have learned this in the previous chapter, and also you learned that how to denote an angle. Angle is denoted as angle CAB, or you can say angle BAC. Isn't it? This concept, these basic things you have learned in the previous chapter. Now let's begin. What are the types of angles here? Next we will study types of angles. In that the first one is right angle. A right angle, it is an angle which having 90 degree, right? It is an angle which having 90 degree. Such type of angles are called as here right angles. We will see examples for the right angles here. Right angle means it will be of 90 degree, means the angle between the 2 arms. These are the 2 arms, AB and AC are the 2 arms. The angle between these 2 will be always 90 degree. Such type of angles are called as right angles. Okay, this is example 1. We'll see example 2. Again, these are the 2 arms. We name it as ABC. The angle between these 2 rays BC and BA is 90 degree. Okay, this is also a right angle. Next we will see some more example in a clock. Clock examples we'll see. Third example, we'll see here how 90 degree angles are formed between our hand and the minute hand here. Our hand is facing number 3 and minute hand is facing towards the 12, right? then the angle between these two ray will be, or these two hand will be 90 degree. It will be forming 90 degree. Okay. Then if our hand is facing 3 and minute hand is pointing towards the 6, again the angle between these two hands will be 90 degree. Right? Okay. The fifth example, we'll see here. This is our hand. This is minute hand. You can observe that again the angle between these two is 90 degree. Isn't it? Okay. Now last example, we'll see. Our hand is facing 9. Minute hand is facing 12. Then the angle between these two hands is again 90 degree. Okay. These are the examples for the right angle triangle. You can see these forming right angles. Right angle means the angle between the two rays is always 90 degree. Such type of angles are called as here right angles. We'll see second type, that is straight angle. What is a straight angle? Straight angle is nothing but if the angle is 180 degree. If the angle is 180 degree between the two rays, it is called a straight angle. We'll see examples for the straight angles here. We'll take two rays. This is O and A. Another ray in an opposite direction, right? It is an opposite direction. We'll name it as B, right? So these are the two rays. It is an angle formed between the two rays is 180 degree, right? This type of angle is called as right angle. Once again, we'll define the definition of a straight angle. If the angle is 180 degree between the two rays, then such type of angles are called as here straight angles. Okay, this is first example. And second example, this is one ray, right? And this is another ray. We name it as A, B and C. Then the angle between these two rays is called is 180 degree, right? This is a straight angle. Then third example, right? These are the two rays. The angle between them is again 180 degree. Such type of angles are called as here straight angles. This is 180 degree. This is about a straight angle. Next we'll move for the acute angle. Before that, we'll see this straight angle in clock example. Okay, here if two hands making a straight angle means what will be the hour? We'll check. How much will be the hour? We'll check here. If small hand is facing 12 and big hand is facing 6 means it is, now you can see we got here straight angle, right? This is 180 degree, right? Then it is now 12:30, isn't it? It is now 12:30. And similarly here, if it is small hand is pointing towards 3 and big hand is pointing towards a 9, then it is 3:45, isn't it? Means it is 180 degree. Okay, it is now 3:45. Okay, then we'll take some more example. If small hand is facing 2 and big hand is facing 8, right? Again it is 180 degree. Then the time is 2:40. Then the time is 2:40. We'll see some more examples. Here a small hand is facing 12 and big hand is facing 6 means again it is of 180 degree because it making a straight angle here, isn't it? That is 180 degree. Then similarly here also, if small hand is facing 3 and big hand is facing 9 here, again the angle between these two hand is 180 degree. And here we'll take, if a small hand is facing 2 and big hand is facing towards the edge, then the angle between these two hand is 180 degree. This is about a straight angle. Once again we'll define what is a straight angle. A straight angle is an angle which having 180 degree, which measures 180 degree. Such type of angles are called as here straight angles. Okay, next we will move for complete angle. For complete angle, before going to learn the definition of the complete angle, let us know what is a revolution here. Okay, a revolution means it is a one complete turn. Okay, one complete turn is called here revolution. We'll see one example, clock example to define a revolution. This is 3 and 9. One complete turn is called a revolution, right? One complete turn means this is the hand of the clock. It starts rotating from 12 and it again come back to the 12 only. And it again come back to the 12. That is one complete rotation is called here a revolution. Okay. One complete rotation, one complete turn is called a revolution. And this is the path. Yes or no? This is the path which is traced by this hand, right? This path is called here complete angle. This hand making here one complete angle. The angle made by the complete angle, it will be always 360 degree. Means if it takes one full rotation, one complete rotation means that will be always 360 degree. Okay. Now this is about a complete angle. Once again I am going to define what is a complete angle here. A complete angle means it is one complete revolution. One revolution is called here a complete angle. Complete angle will be always 360 degree. Okay. Now we will see some more examples here to make a complete angle. If I consider a straight angle means, as I told here, I am going to take a straight angle. Straight angle means the angle between the two rays or the two hands. It will be always 180 degree, isn't it? So here I am going to say that to make a complete angle, we require here two straight angles. Okay, we require here two straight angles. How means? This is 180 degree, one straight angle, and this is one more, that is 180 degree, isn't it? Totally if we add 180 and 180 means we are able to get 360 degree. So we can say that to make a complete angle we require two straight angles. Okay, this is about complete angle. And okay students, next we will see how many right angles are required to make a complete angle. Here we require two straight angles to make a complete angle. Next we will see how many right angles are required to make a complete angle. So we will take a one clock, 6, 3 and 9. The hand is facing towards the 12 here, right? 90 degree means, right angle means it is a 90 degree. Now if the hand moves towards the 12 means then it looks like this, isn't it? This is what now? 90 degree or no? Yes, this is 90 degree. Again, if the hand moves towards the 6 means it would look like this. Again we got here one more 90 degree, right? Then if the hand moves from 6 to 9 means we can see that it would look like this, isn't it? We got here one more right angle. And after it moves from 9 to 12. After it moves from 9 to 12 means after moving it come back to the 12 only. After moving from 9 again the hand will come back to the 12 only. We will get one more right angle triangle, isn't it? As I told, the hand of the clock is again coming back to the 12 only, right? then the hand is completing one complete angle or not, isn't it? So you can see here, to make a complete angle, we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. We require 4 right angles. Okay students, we require here 4 right angles. This is about a complete angle. Once again we'll repeat. To make a complete angle, we require 2 straight angles. To make a complete angle, we require 4 right angles. Okay. And the definition of the complete angle is, if the angle measures an angle of 360 degree, then such type of angles is called here complete angles. I hope you all have understood what is a complete angle.